All right, so this time we're going to let m, equal x to the negative 1. So when I look at that first variable, we know x to the negative 2 is really x to the negative 1 raised to what exponent? A 2. And we know we said x to the negative 1 is what? So it's going to be m squared, good, minus, you said x to the negative 1 was m, minus 6 equals 0. So is that one factorable? No. Yeah. What multiplies to 6, it'll subtract 2. What number's in front of the m? 1. A 1. 3 and 2. Yeah, 3 and 2. What's it, minus 3 and a positive 2? I'll do this on the other side there. All right, so separate them, set them each equal to 0. So you got 3, and you got negative 2. But m isn't the variable that's in my original problem, so what am I going to do? Say it again? Yeah, substitute it back. So we said m was what? X to the negative 1. So that's equal to 3. And x to the negative 1 is equal to negative 2. Now what do we do? How can I get rid of that negative 1? Well, I think you're meaning the right thing. We're going to multiply that exponent, so we're going to raise it to its reciprocal, right? So what's a reciprocal of negative 1? 1. Negative 1. Because negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, right? Remember, number times its reciprocal equals a positive 1. So this gives me x equals 3 to the negative 1. We don't like negative exponents, so we've got to think back. What do we do to get rid of the negative on that exponent? Remember, negative exponent, we're going to send it to the bottom. So it means we got 3 to the first on bottom. And whatever number or whatever's in front of it goes on top. There's nothing there, so just put a 1. So 3 to the negative 1 is the same as 1/3.
Do you know what
The 1/3, I'm pretty sure. Alright, it's the same thing here. Raise it to its reciprocal.
Couldn't you just do it and then put math and enter give it a fraction?
And so you get x equals negative 2 to the negative 1. Send it to the bottom, so we get x equals negative 1/2.